Over the last month, we've shown you several images of them with no money, no food, no water. Many of them are now desperately trying to get home. Those who can't get on a train have been walking for hundreds of kilometers across the country in scorching heat. Today, as part of our continuing Get Real India focus, India Today's Ashutosh Mishra walked with these migrants on a 500-kilometer journey. He brings you the story of India's migrant labor. Take a look.
Hundreds of migrant laborers walking home. Men, women and little children braving the heat. They've covered hundreds of kilometers by foot and have hundreds more to cover.
This is exactly the border point which connects Rajasthan from Uttar Pradesh. And every day from early morning to evening, these images at this point are very common, where people witnessing everyday migration of a huge number of migrant workers from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and other states who are taking a transit via Bharatpur to state of Uttar Pradesh. तो आप पैदल कितने कब चले हैं जोधपुर से?
पैदल चले थे 4 तारीख को।
4 तारीख को वहाँ से पैदल चले हैं।
4 तारीख को।
आपको आने कैसे दिया? वहाँ पे आपको पता है बॉर्डर बंद है, जा नहीं सकते इसमें, तो क्यों आए आप लोग वहाँ से?
अरे तो वहाँ पे कोई सुविधा भी नहीं थी वहाँ पे, इसलिए पैदल आना पड़ा वहाँ से।
As the searing summer heat intensifies, many decide to take a break along the highway, trying to catch pockets of shade from the sun.
While I travel from Jaipur to Bharatpur, this is what I see on the national highway. Poor migrant laborers, workers, walked for many days, yet to travel weeks to reach back their destination in Uttar Pradesh and in remote parts of Bihar and Jharkhand.
We see several tired migrants dozing on the road, precariously close to the speeding trucks on the highway.
डर नहीं लगता ऐसे हाईवे पे जा रहे हैं, एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है, कोई गाड़ी नियंत्रण खो दे?
डर लगते हैं तो क्या करें, घर तो जाना पड़ेगा ही। अब भूख रास्ते में भूखे मरने से बढ़िया तो किसी तरह घर पहुंच जाएं हम।
It is while we are in conversation with a group of migrants that 69-year-old Phulchand approaches us. With a broken slipper and blisters on his feet, Phulchand is emotionally and physically spent.
पैर तो आपका पूरा छिला हुआ, देखिए घाव हो गए हैं इसमें। आपका तो चप्पल भी फट गई है ये।
अब तो क्या है, जब ना जूता पहने था तो वो जूता जब ना तब लागने लगा तो फिर उतार के इसको पहन लिया तो होने लगा। क्या है, मजबूरी है हमारी।
As we near the end of the day, we meet Sunil and his family. They've been walking for 5 days now from Jodhpur. They are still a long way away from their home in Bihar's Ara.
एक मजदूर की जिंदगी में इस आपदा के समय सुबह 6 बजे से लेकर के रात के 12 बजे तक का वक्त कैसे बीतता है?
पूरी रात हम लोग चलते हैं, रात दोपहर में आराम करते हैं 2 घंटे, फिर चलते रहते हैं दोपहर में भी।
Here in Rajasthan and perhaps in other parts of country as well, where the migration exodus is taking place, the government really need to look towards their safety and security. On this national highway in Bharatpur, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.